Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the spotlight animation in the Microsoft PowerPoint, and the result gonna be like this. How to create this animation, it is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. For example, I would like to create it in the new slide over here, and after that I will remove this one, and you can also put your favorite text over here. And for example, I will type spotlight like this, and I will put it in the middle. And you can also adjust the size, the thickness of this font. And after that, if you don't find this format background, don't worry, because you can find it from this design. And after that, you can click this format background. And after that, I will start to adjust the background over here, let's say to become black. So you can choose this solid fill, and I will choose the color to become black, for example, and you'll see there is no, or you can find where the text is. Don't worry, you can keep it over here. And the next thing will be input the shape. Click insert, and for example, I will choose this oval. And for example, I will choose, or I will drag it like this. And after that, you can also change the color, let's say to become white. And after that, you can start to give it the right click of this oval. And after that, I will click this send to back like this. And for example, you can drag it down and give it a test. So the motion that we want will be like this, from left to the right. So I will put it over here. And after that, I will go to this animation and click add animation. And after that, I will choose the more motion path like this. And after that, I will choose right, this one, and click OK. And maybe you see before that the motion gonna be from this to this section. We can adjust it by click this direction again until finish, for example until here. And after that, you can play it by giving the slideshow. This is the first slide, and this is the next slide. How to play it? So you can give it play it by push the space in your keyboard. 1, 2, 3. So this will be the result. So that's all guys, don't forget to try this tutorial. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.